स्टूडेंट, आज हम स्पीड ऑफ साउंड डिस्कस करते हैं। फर्स्ट ईयर फिजिक्स का चैप्टर 8 का हमारे पास टॉपिक है। तो स्पीड ऑफ साउंड दो साइंटिस्ट ने कैलकुलेट की। पहले न्यूटन ने कैलकुलेट की, उसके बाद लैप्लास साइंटिस्ट ने कैलकुलेट की। न्यूटन ने जो कैलकुलेट की उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थी, तो लैप्लास ने उन प्रॉब्लम्स को रिमूव किया। इस वजह से वो कहलाता है लैप्लास करेक्शन फार्मूला। तो हम शुरू करते हैं न्यूटन्स फार्मूला। द साइंटिस्ट न्यूटन कैलकुलेटेड स्पीड ऑफ साउंड बाय द फार्मूला v इक्वल्स टू √b/ρ, या हम यूं कह सकते हैं v इक्वल्स टू √ इलास्टिक प्रॉपर्टी अपॉन इनर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी। व्हाट इज b? b is bulk modulus. Bulk modulus belongs to elastic property. What elastic property? B, stress upon volume strain. Stress, that is pressure, force upon area. Volume strain is change in volume per original volume. This whole is called bulk modulus. If we apply pressure on a volumetric body, if there is change in volume, on removing the pressure, the volume will come back, the change will come back. So this phenomena is called bulk modulus. Here is rho is density mass upon volume, that is the inertial property. Inertial property means the property through which bodies will disturb, particles of medium will disturb, or they carry the energy. According to Newton, the sound wave propagation is isothermal process. That is, during compression and rarefaction, there will be no effect on temperature of medium. It is just like Boyle's law. Student, sound wave is longitudinal wave in which compression and rarefaction, when we apply energy, some particles will collide with each other. This is called compression, and after collision action there will be reaction, that is called rarefaction, with particles move separately. During compression and rarefaction, there will be no effect on temperature of the medium in which sound is traveling, and Newton said it is just, this sound wave propagation process is just like Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? PV equals to constant. Here PV, P atmospheric pressure. During compression we exert a little pressure which is 0.00000 atm, like so. This is very small pressure, P plus delta P. Due to delta P there will be very small change in volume. So V original volume, then the volume, due to delta P the volume will decrease, so V minus delta P. By multiplying with each other, P V minus P delta V, delta P V plus minus delta P delta V. Delta P delta V is neglected due to its too much small value. Delta P and delta V has 0.0000 values, so they will multiplying with each other and having too much small value, that can be neglected easily. So we get, by removing delta P delta V, PV equals to PV minus P delta V plus V delta P at here. PV cancelled. So this P delta V will be taken at here and converted minus to plus, and delta V on other side, divide the V delta P, and I want to remove V from here, that will be at here under the delta V upon V. So this is delta P whole upon delta V upon V. So this is pressure, delta V change in volume per original volume, that is volume strain. So P delta P upon delta V upon V is bulk modulus. By this process, the Newton calculated speed of sound 281.2 meter per second, which is 16% less than actual speed of sound, which is calculated by Laplace scientist. स्टूडेंट, अब हम लैप्लास करेक्शन समझते हैं। लैप्लास एक मैथमेटिशियन था। इसको न्यूटन का फार्मूला v इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट b बाय रो और p बाय रो की ज़रूरत पड़ी। उसे कैलकुलेशन की तो उसको रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट नहीं मिला। तब उसने न्यूटन की वर्किंग को नए सिरे से समझा और फिर उसने अपना करेक्शन फार्मूला इंट्रोड्यूस कराया, दैट इज द लैप्लास करेक्शन। According to scientist Laplace, the sound wave propagation phenomena is like adiabatic process, not isothermal. Adiabatic is a process in which the generated heat in the system will not leave the system, or outside heat energy will not enter into the system. This is adiabatic process. During compression, the temperature will increase, that is Cp, when particles collide by taking the energy, that is the compression. During collision, particles colliding with each other, the temperature will increase. During rarefaction, this increased temperature will be used by the particles of medium which are sound carrier. So the temperature which has increased during compression, that will be used during rarefaction of these particles when they for moving ahead with a fast velocity. So the formula for speed of sound will be v equals to gamma p by rho. This is gamma. Gamma is the ratio between Cp and Cv. That is gamma equals to Cp upon Cv. C is a heat capacity. Since our sound is generating in air, air is a gas. In gas, there is a molar heat capacity. So Cp molar specific heat at constant pressure, that is at here, and molar specific heat at constant volume, that is at here. In air, if we calculate gamma ratio at 0 degree, that will be 1.4. On moving ahead, we have v equals to gamma p by rho. Since rho equals to mass upon volume, by putting the value of rho mass upon volume, this v will be multiplied at gamma p v upon m. Since pv equals to nRT, so v equals to gamma nRT by m. By taking this n, mole n and mass m, n upon m, since mole equals to gram mass divided by molecular mass, due to this situation, this gram mass divided the moles, so n upon m equals to 1 upon m. We replace n upon m by 1 upon m. So v equals to gamma RT into 1 upon m. What is m? M is molecular mass of air. Air contains 80% nitrogen and 20% oxygen. Mass of 80% of nitrogen, we are calculating gram mole mass. 80 upon 100% of multiply nitrogen N2. Nitrogen atomic mass 14, 2 nitrogen 28, so 22.4 gram. M, molecular mass of 20% of oxygen, 20 upon 100 into O2, 60 into 2, 32. So 6.4 gram. By adding these two, molecular mass of air 22.4, 6.4, 28.8 gram. According to physics, we have to express mass in kilogram. So 28.8 divided by 1000, we will get 0.0288 kg. Our universal gas constant 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. Temperature 0 degree centigrade, 273.16 Kelvin. Gamma 1.4 at 0 degree. Since we have the formula speed of sound by Laplace correction, gamma RT upon m, gamma RT upon m. So by putting these values 1.4 universal gas constant 8.314, temperature 273.16, and molecular mass of air 0.0288, we get 332.3 meter per second or 333 meter per second speed of sound. Speed of sound in kilometer per hour is 1200 kilometer, in mile 760 mile per hour. This is speed of sound at 0 degree centigrade. If there is increase or decrease in temperature of medium, that is the air, in winter, in hot season, in summer season, whatever it else, if there is increase or decrease in temperature of medium, then the speed of sound will be calculated. V equals to 333 actual speed of sound ratio with temperature T by 273. T is temperature which we have to use in Kelvin, because at here we have used the Kelvin temperature.